Cuckoo duck.
Hi friends, let's learn some words today. An. If we can add one more letter to an, let's see if we can make any new word. Ban. That means you are not allowed to have food here. That's a ban. Another letter for an. Can of soda. Another letter for an. Fan. It gives us air. An. Look, the boy ran. An. Pan. We use pan to cook food. An. Look, there's a yellow van. And tan. We sit in the sun to get some tan. So we have learned few words today. Let's check it out. Ban, can, fan, ran, pan, van, and tan. Good job!